Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HRV Embedded and Craft. Today we are discussing about automatic temperature control system using Arduino. So here we are using the components like a thermistor of a value of 10K, a fan motor and L293 a motor driver, one beeper, LCD display, and I am using 4:1 push button switch, but here I am using only 3. First one is used to set the temperature, second one is used to increment the temperature, and third one is used to decrement the temperature. Motor driver is connected to a pin number 9 and buzzer is connected to pin number 13, and these push button switches are connected for A1, A2, A3, and thermistor is connected to A0, and one potentiometer of a value 10K is used to calibrate the temperature, which is displayed on the LCD display. Okay, let us start the system. First we will switch on the device. Okay, now we will program the Arduino Nano using Arduino IDE. Okay, I am connected this Nano to a computer and we will upload the program. Open Arduino IDE and program. Select the Arduino Nano, which is already selected, and select the COM port where it is connected, COM9. Then click here to upload the program. Okay, now the program is uploaded. Now the program is uploaded and presently the temperature of room is showing around 26 degree and fan speed is showing 0% because the lowest temperature set is 27 degree here, and will reduce the temperature for 26.5 or else okay, let it be 27 only, and highest temperature is for 40 degree centigrade and fan speed is 0. Now we will remove the COM port cable. Okay, now we will connect a 9 volt power supply to this and switch on. Okay, now the temperature is showing 25.9 degree centigrade. Okay, now we will test for the temperature and fan. Okay, this fan is running for a speed. The fan is turned on when the temperature reaches at 27 degrees centigrade. And fan is also runs according to the temperature is increases.